When you engage a family lawyer, it is important that you tell them everything. If you keep secrets from your family lawyer, it can affect your credibility in court, and it often ends up hurting your case. So, what information should you share with your lawyer? If you have been responsible for domestic violence towards a former partner, you should tell us about it. Whether it be physical abuse, verbal abuse, threats, coercive and controlling behaviour, sexual infidelity, child abuse or neglect, drug and alcohol use or addictions to prescription medication, mental health issues, your criminal record, and any financial dishonesty. While it might be uncomfortable talking about such things with your lawyer, we need to know everything relevant to your case. So, what happens if you keep secrets from your divorce lawyer? Well, everything that I do in your case is based on the information that you choose to share with me. I use this information that you give me to establish a strategy to deliver the best possible outcome to you. I can't adequately prepare your case if I don't know what I'm up against. By way of example, if you commit an act of domestic violence towards your former partner, particularly if it was recent, and you fail to tell me, I can't advise you to do the relevant programs that a court is likely to get you to do before spending regular, meaningful time with your children. If you have a mental health issue and you fail to tell me about it, I can't advise you of the impact that it may have on your case. Contrary to popular belief, a mental health condition in and of itself is not a reason to deny you time with your children. It is only where your mental health condition interferes with your parenting capacity that the court will look at it with more scrutiny. It is always better to admit a psychological condition and to demonstrate ongoing treatment than to hide the condition and for it to come out later on, in which case we may not be able to insulate you from the negative impact. Lastly, if you have done drugs in the past, or if you have drunk alcohol excessively, we need to know about it. Parents frequently hide an ongoing substance addiction out of fear it will affect their child custody case. The problem is that if you tell your lawyer that you're not doing drugs when you are doing drugs, I can't advise you of the steps that you need to take to get clean, to keep clean, and to prove to the court that you're clean so that you can secure an order that enables you to spend regular time with your children. If you aren't honest with me about all of these things and evidence comes out later on that proves you are lying in your affidavit, this may not only impact on the time you spend with your children, but it will affect your credibility too, as you have lied in a sworn legal document. If, however, you had told me the truth about it from the beginning, I could have provided you with more effective legal advice and changed the legal strategy to avoid this disaster in the first place. In conclusion, if you are not sure what to share with your lawyer, ask what I need to know. Remember, you and I are working towards the same goal, securing you the best possible outcome for you and your family. By being honest with me, you are arming me with the information that I need to help you to succeed.